Hey everyone, it's Demon Kitty, and this time I'm going to be doing Will You Press the Button? I know there are some interesting choices here, so I want to see what kind of chaos I can get into. Hopefully there's something good in here. Okay, first one is you could attend Hogwarts, but you would have to wax one eyebrow. I like symmetry, I like my eyebrows. It takes a while for them to grow back. No thank you. You get straight A's in school and get a lot of sleep. B, you'll never have a social life and be the ugliest person in the world. Um, huh. Well, I don't have a social life, and I don't care about looks. So, yeah, I'll press. Oof. A lot of people did not press it. Have infinite money, but lose both legs. No, I like driving a little too much, and I don't want to get, uh, prosthetics. Okay. You can have sex with anyone you want, but every time you do have sex, your mother gets a text message vividly describing the act. Well, I don't have a good relationship with my mom. I don't care about her. I would like her to know how I want to do that just to say fuck you to her, honestly. So, yeah, I'll press the damn button. That was pretty close. You can go to the Wizarding World, meet Harry Potter, but in the end, he won't kill Voldemort. I don't want to meet Harry though. I'd rather meet Draco. I'll press it. I'll press. I don't care how the story ends. Read people's minds but get a massive headache after. That's not much different from real life. Marry the person of your dreams but lose all your friends. I see this as an absolute win. I don't really have friends. I guess everyone who voted this had friends. Can't relate. Will you press the button? Become the smartest man in the universe and have access to knowledge nobody else can know. When you try to talk, Kanye West will appear through a portal and interrupt what you're saying. When he leaves, you may finish until you start a new thought. I don't want to see Kanye West. That would annoy me. So no. You will be invited to many game chat rooms in Skype. Max will always be there watching you. I don't know who Max is. I don't care. You become the most lyrical, gifted rapper alive. You can. I like rock. I don't like rap. Mm-mm. Nope. I'm not losing. I am not losing my favorite genre to my least favorite genre. I don't care about rap. I will not rap. Okay, you receive a diary that tell you everything that happened in the future, but you will participate in a game where you'll be hunted down by other diary users that can also see the future. This is just future diary. This is just future diary. Mirai Nikki. That is literally what this is. You know what? Fine. I don't care if I die in the end. I would love to know the future. Because maybe they'll tell me how I die. I see no issue. Okay, you'll be able to answer any question, but the answer will always be in cryptic rhyme and everyone will hate you for it. I could just not answer questions. Like, I can just do what I normally do and just not talk. Yeah, well, president. I don't care what people think of me. You will become the greatest president in the United States. You'll have no time for friend, family, hobbies, vacation. Fuck yeah, I'll fix the country. I don't have friends. Not too big on family. Hobbies. Well, it's only for like 1 or 2 terms. So I'll have plenty of time for hobbies before and after being a president. And I don't take vacations, so it doesn't really affect me. Pokemon is real, but your only Pokemon is Metapod. I honestly don't know who that is. But Pokemon being real would be awesome. Whether I have like an Umbreon or Pikachu or Eevee or any of them. I don't care which one I have. You know what? I'll go for it. Okay. Live the rest of your life easy and stress free, but have to live all your life stress and hardships in one day. No, because that would cause me to kill myself. No, thank you. Next. You gain the ability to see through things and walls, but you lose an eye. I could just part my hair in a way that covers the eye I lost. So sure, why not? I literally have hair that falls in my face all the time. This won't change anything. Okay. You'll meet your ideal partner, be it a mate, a life partner, or best bud, who will stick by your side till the day you die. But you no longer have the ability to join music, and every song from what's on the radio to jingles and commercials will sound like, oh no, that would drive me insane. That might cause me to kill myself. I love music. And you're gonna give me a shit song? Really? At least make it my favorite song. That I won't get sick of that. Might get repetitive, but I won't get sick of it. You'll become physically immortal, but you will have AIDS and everyone around you know. Oh, I don't want the immortal thing. That I'd rather just die and get my life over with. Like if you live forever, you outlive pets, friends, family, like everyone close to you and important to you. And you would just suffer so much from living forever. Like there's no good reason to just live forever. Not one good reason why you should live forever. Like it's not worth it. I'd rather just live one life, maybe reincarnate if that's possible, but I don't want to be immortal. I want to die eventually. Preferably sooner rather than later, but depression's a bitch. Yeah, I can get over it. You can fly, but you can't walk. That's a good one. That's actually a good one. I don't walk much now, but I would love to have like the ability to fly. That I wouldn't really need a car anymore. So that gets rid of car payments. Oh, I can totally deal with that. I can live with that. You can take back anything you say, but you have to live with that TV. I live on my laptop, on my computer, on my phone. I don't need TV. I can easily just stream anime and YouTube. Fuck you, I pressed the button because I don't need TV. There's nothing good on TV anyways. You are a master of magic tricks, best in the world. You can only perform the tricks to someone over the phone. Uh, I, hmm, I'm actually not a fan of magic at all. Like, it doesn't speak to me, so I'll pass. I'll pass. There'll be world peace, but you are will be bored and humanely possible for the rest of your life. I'm usually always bored. But do I want world peace? Okay, if there's world peace, I can see good things about it, but I'm trying to find a way to, to say something good about war and I can't find anything. I don't want to seem like a piece of shit human being that doesn't want world peace, so world peace it is. Alright. Your band has the ability to say rock and roll. Your lead singer loses his hand, becomes possessed, and chases you through an abandoned hospital. Um, about that, I would be the lead singer. So I lose my hand, become possessed, and chase someone through an abandoned hospital, or chase myself. You know, fine, I'll do it. I'm the lead singer. I would totally do that. To get any superpower you want, you have to kill the person you love most. Um, love a person? Can it be a cat? I love my cat, and I wouldn't kill her for anything. I don't see any superpower that's worth killing someone or something I love. And I obviously would choose my cat over literally everything else. I like people. Love I don't feel love very much for humans. I am better with animals. Uh I will not kill. I don't want to kill anyone for a power. So I think I'll pass. You have the ability to read people's minds. Every time you do, you make the sounds of a whale while you're using your ability. Okay. Okay. How to break this one down? What kind of whale? I'll press it. I'll press it. I don't care about making whale sounds. That would be cool. I would love to learn to make more animal sounds, like cat, dog sounds. That'd be nice. Oh, the game is on? I didn't know there was an early game today. Last one. You have the ability to read minds, but you mumble everything you hear in your sleep. Why are you talking in your sleep? Yeah, that's fine. Alright, since apparently a baseball game is on, I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Bye.